leave these here loose so I can make the final adjustment when I get the frame up. You'll see that in a moment. Get the frame, set it up. Now I've got bolts here I put in where these clips are. They go on the side of the car. Get one of these in here first. This will hold it up while I get the rest of the bolts in. Oops. Okay, that'll hold there for now. Back here. Now, those are good for now. The leg parts. Stick these in here now. This will be adjusted in a moment. Take this frame here. What this frame does, when I clamp it in place, and I'll show you here. There, I'll clamp back here. Take these two parts. These do pull the frame up to the proper height where they're supposed to be at when they're inside the car. I'll adjust that in a moment. Put this in here. Put two clamps on so it holds it even. And you see this has a slight angle to it because these seats are angled, of course. So this way it keeps the proper height that we need. And these will go in place here. I'll make another one of these because some of these seats were bad. I had to cut so far back. So basically, that's how this goes together for this assembly fixture for the seats.
You're gonna put like a little standoff in here?
Yeah, in fact,